Okay, I've had this question emailed to me several times, and I just want to say it maybe where you can see my face. On the Nutrient Google Drawing, people have said, do I have to do it on paper or can I do it on a drawing, Google Drawing? Nutrient, I'm sorry, did I say nutrient? Whatever. My answer is yes. You can always have that option of doing a Google Draw. The problem is the people who do it on paper, who actually take their time to draw it out and to color it and to make it look good, that effort is automatically understood. If you use a Google Draw and you just go find some image of some superhero and you throw it on there and you put in a bubble and you put in a bubble and you put in the same bubble and it's the same text and it's just slapped together is how I like to say it. If it's just slapped together, then that effort isn't shown. So I want to be able to give you 100%. I need you to show effort if you decide to use Google Draw. You have to put in more than one type of media, if that makes sense. Like I need to see that you actually selected some things, some different fonts, some different colors. You have a background. It has to look like you tried. So that's my answer. The answer is yes, but please be careful and not just throw words on the Google Draw and add a picture because you won't get 100%. Okay, thank you.